Hey everybody, hope you enjoyed our previous videos about character archetypes and how to use them in your story. Make sure to check those out if you haven't yet. So, fellow storytellers, how do you craft the perfect friend character?
Mr. Frodo's not going anywhere without me.
Someone who isn't a hero or villain per se, yet still interesting enough to steal any scene. It's time to discuss our second character archetype, the caregiver. In this video, we'll go over the strengths and weaknesses and character pairings that will bring out the best in this archetype and lead to a more compelling story. So, who is the caregiver?
We saved some for you, Mr. Frodo.
If you need a helping hand, you're in luck because the caregiver is here.
I'm here to help you. I promised Gandalf that I would.
They often act as the pillar of emotional support for another character, as well as the voice of reason. What's good about the caregiver? This archetype is generous, kind-hearted, and perceptive of others' needs. This archetype is all about support. Other characters feel comfortable around them and confide in them. They're not just happy to help someone else in distress, but it's their natural instinct. This gives them the chance not only to be a source of support and logic, but as comic relief.
I got hypnotized last night. Nigga, get the fuck out of here!
Who brings a crucial amount of levity to any film in danger of slowing down.
Bruh, I don't care if the bitch is Ayanna Van Zant, okay? She can't fix my motherfucking life. You ain't getting in my head.
Oftentimes, they are the scene stealers of a film. Fan favorites who keep the viewers perked up. But no one's perfect. What are some of the weaknesses of the caregiver? The generosity of this archetype can make them vulnerable to abuse and manipulation. Their lack of confidence makes them prone to weakness, not to mention they can be borderline useless in a fight. Like this sound.
Let him go, you filth.
Or this sound.
Are you? Please, no more.
They can function as the victim, providing the villain a chance to show off how cruel they truly are. This friendly archetype can also easily become a well-meaning protagonist. We root for them. We want to see them win. Characters are not simply great alone, it's their interaction with others, positive or negative, that makes a story work. So who does the caregiver get along with best? In comes the bad boy. A classic archetype, the bad boy is a rebellious rogue with a death wish, but their attitude is often a cover-up for hidden trauma. We can watch the bad boy slowly open up to the caregiver, revealing their hardships. However, the caregiver would find themselves most antagonized by the Seducer.
Rod, just stop.
What you talking about, girl? I called you about Chris.
No, Rod, whenever we'd go out, I remember you looking at me.
What the fuck?
The Seducer is a character who uses their charm to talk their way into or out of just about anything.
Ah, she's a genius.
Depending on genre, this duo leads to dark drama or a belly full of laughs. No matter what type of story you're writing, the caregiver can be a great source of kindness and support. And now that you and this archetype are practically pals, it's time to use them in your story. When you're ready to start writing, be sure to check out Studio Binder's screenwriting software. It's free to write and share your stories for feedback, so check it out. If you like the video, make sure you share and subscribe. And don't forget to enable notifications by clicking the bell icon so that you're notified as soon as a new video comes out. Next up in our character archetype series is the Seducer. We'll see you next time.